Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can comment on your videos and stories on your account on TikTok. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy, and now click comments. Now click comments here, and now just click no one, and here you can make no one can comment on your videos and stories, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.